drink Kangen water?
Why shouldn't they drink Kangen water? You need the electrons in your body. You can drink alkaline water, and the water stays alkaline, but because it passes through your body doesn't mean that your body is going to become alkaline. Only the electrons have the power to make your body alkaline. That's why fruits and vegetables and things of that nature that have an abundance of electrons in them are called antioxidants or antioxidizing fruits and vegetables and food. It's because the presence of electron is there. But electrons leave, once they leave their source, all the electrons are stripped from whatever it is, whether it's the water that you drink or the fruits that you eat and you make a smoothie and whatnot. All of them are gone within 48 hours once they are exposed to oxygen or once they leave its source. So you need a machine, because you cannot buy Kangen water in bottles. You can't buy it at stores or whatnot. It takes anywhere up to from 3 to 6 months for bottles of Evian or Fiji and whatnot to hit the shelves. 48 hours for all the electrons to be gone from water, and it takes 3 to 6 months for your bottled water to reach the shelf. And you do the math. You need the electrons. The electrons are the key to reversing your age, to maintaining health in every sense of the word. And nothing, no illness, no disease can survive in an alkaline environment. But you're not going to get it with drinking alkaline water alone, because you can take radioactive water or poisoned water that's been poisoned with chemicals, and you can make it alkaline by simply adding sodium bicarbonate, which we like to call Arm & Hammer baking soda. But I dare you to drink it. So do yourself a favor, get yourself a Kangen water machine, and start making the change. Change your water, change your life. That's what Kangen and enagic like to say. And I'm an end user, I'm not a distributor. And I can tell you that it's changed my life, and it has helped me to change the life of thousands of people around the world as I've traveled, speaking about not only manifestation, but meditation, age reversal, and health in general. So, all the best to you.
So why Kangen and not its competitors?
I've tried its runner-up, the Athena machine. I tried it for 3 months, and it did nothing for me. It did nothing for me. They're not the same machines. There's a reason why they cost less. You know, a Chrysler 300 is not a Rolls Royce, no matter how much it looks like one. So, this is your health you're talking about. This is not luxury. This is health. And once you lose it, you can't really get it back. At least not in the sense that we know. Once your transmission is gone, your car's never the same. So, treat your body right. If you cannot afford a Kangen water machine, if you cannot do what it takes to afford health, then perhaps you don't deserve it. So ask yourself that question. You're willing to spend $30,000, $40,000 and more on luxury, like vehicles, hundreds of thousands of dollars on houses and whatnot, but at the end of the day, you can't enjoy a single one of them if you don't have health. So if you cannot afford a couple $1,000s for a machine that will last you 40 years plus, then ask yourself where your priorities are, and I invite you to reconsider.